After tinkering with Pop! OS, I have found a few bugs inside Pop! OS itself, mostly a lot of basic features or day-to-day tasks that you will use, and there is bugs inside, so you don't have to look far and wide. It is inside of Pop! OS. So let's check it out what it is. Firstly, let's go into the settings. I'm going to show you the Pop! OS version I'm in. Let's see. After installing the upgraded Pop! OS version that I have updated yesterday, I feel like the optimization for Pop! OS is getting worse. Before this, it would not have any of these problems, but now I have problems. Alright, so after restarting twice, this new Pop! OS update right here has now Wi-Fi issues. It now always disconnects and try to connect, so I have to use wired connection for it. So I'm going to show you the new update right now. What is my version? So this version is Pop_OS 22.04 LTS. This is the newest version. So if I go to OS upgrade, you should see it is already updated. You are running the most current Pop! OS version. Right, so now I check inside here. This is a second bug also in Pop! Shop. When you try to install their own updates, and when you try to update it, nothing happens. After the update, it will keep telling you the same thing. There's one update available. See, again, one component with updates. Let's try and install again. Okay, it's done, and again. So let's see whether am I going insane. Flatpak runtime. Let's update this thing. Okay, it's done. Let's go back. Let's go in again. Flatpak runtime again. It will not go away. Right, so the third problem I face is in the settings. If you go into desktop, right? If you go into desktop, go into dock, and you go and search for intelligently hide, right? You put this, you turn it on. Now, this supposedly, when any windows overlap, the dock area will hide. Now, this function should be when you put your mouse down here, the dock should appear, but nothing happens. See that? Nothing happens. Why is it not intelligently coming out? It should know if games, yes, I understand you don't need this, but if you're in like Firefox or any other apps, Windows apps, why is this not coming out? Alright, is this a bug or a feature? I'm not sure, but you have to minimize and come out of it to show you the dock. So I had to always go for always visible. Now if I put always hide and it shows like unless actively being reviewed by the mouse, then it will appear. So let's change to this one. Alright, let's change to this one. It always hides. Now I put my mouse down here. Okay, I put my mouse down here. Then I have a tap. Nothing appears. This tool does absolutely nothing. Remember to like, subscribe, and share! Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist of my previous and future videos that is to come. So check that out, and thank you all for watching. Famous Cyber signing out.